Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 with an iPhone. However, it's crucial to understand that direct pairing between these two devices is not officially supported by Samsung. The Galaxy Watch 5 is primarily designed to integrate seamlessly with Android smartphones, leveraging the full capabilities of the Android ecosystem. This means that while you might hope for a simple connection, the reality is more complex, and we'll delve into why that is and what your actual options are for smartwatch use with an iPhone. The fundamental reason for this incompatibility lies in the software ecosystem. Samsung's Galaxy wearable application, which is absolutely essential for setting up, managing, and fully utilizing your Galaxy Watch 5, is simply not available on the Apple App Store. Without this crucial application, your iPhone cannot establish the necessary connection or provide the deep integration required for features like notifications, health data synchronization, or even basic watch face customization. It's a matter of two distinct operating systems not designed to communicate at this level. Given these limitations, the only practical way to use a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is by pairing it with a compatible Android smartphone. If your primary device is an iPhone, and you desire a fully functional smartwatch experience, your best option is to consider an Apple Watch. Alternatively, some smartwatches from other brands offer more robust cross-platform compatibility, though they may not provide the same deep integration as an Apple Watch with an iPhone. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific smartphone. Ultimately, for iPhone users seeking the most seamless and feature-rich smartwatch experience, an Apple Watch remains the undisputed choice. Apple Watches are engineered to work in perfect harmony with iOS, offering unparalleled integration for calls, messages, health tracking, and app functionality. While the Galaxy Watch 5 is an excellent device for Android users, trying to force compatibility with an iPhone will lead to significant frustration and a severely limited experience. Choose a smartwatch that complements your phone's operating system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.